Dear students, greetings of the day. In this class, we will see what is this square root of a complex number. Okay, what is this square root of a complex number? Listen, root of a plus ib. Here, a plus ib is the one of the complex number formula. Complex number. Okay, this complex number we need to take the square. So square root. So square root of a plus ib equal to you using the formula. Okay. So equal to plus or minus root of a plus a square plus b square plus a divided by 2 plus I into b by mod b root of root of a square plus b square minus a divided by 2. Look this, in this place plus, in this place minus in the imaginary part. Okay, plus in this place real part and then minus in the imaginary part. Otherwise are same, and then here imaginary part you have b divided by mod b. Okay, do you understand the formula for the square root of the modulus of square root of a complex number is what is this? Root of a square root of root a square plus b square plus a divided by 2 plus I b divided by mod b into root of a square plus b square minus a divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula for the to find the square root of a complex number. Okay. Okay, now you see the example 2.17. Find the square root of 6 minus 8i. Find the square root of 6 minus 8i. Okay, okay, one of the information, and then in your book you have to see the note. If b is negative, b divided by mod b equal to minus 1, x and y have different signs. Okay, and then if b is positive, b divided by mod b equal to 1 if x and y have same sign. Okay, I explain this note and see the sum also. Okay, listen, here this is the a, this is the b. Okay, here in this b have is negative, b is negative, is in the sum, in this sum have the sign of the b is negative. So b divided by mod b equal to minus 1. b divided by mod b value is minus 1. Okay, and then one more exercise sum. Listen, find the square root of 4 plus 3i. Okay, in this question see here plus 3. Okay, plus 3. So this is the, what is this? B value is positive sign. So we go to use b by mod b equal to 1. b by mod b equal to 1. Okay, first we go to write the form of this question. Okay, root of 6 minus 8i. Okay, listen, this root of a square plus b square, what is the value? That means mod z. Root of a square plus b square equal to mod a plus ib. Okay, so we want to find the, first of all, modulus of a minus b. Okay, that is we want to need to find the root of 6 minus 8i. So first we compute what is this modulus of 6 minus 8i. What is this? Root of real part squared, 6 is squared plus minus 8 the whole squared. So root of 36 plus 64, you get root 100 equal to 10. So modulus of value, that is in this part only we go to find out. Listen, root of a square plus b square. Here root of, here a is 6, b is 8 minus 8. I compute the value of root of a square plus b square. Okay, now we go to substitute the values. So now we are finding 6 minus 8i equal to root of 6 minus 8i equal to plus or minus root of root of a square plus b square. So what is the value of root of a square b square? 10 plus a equal to 6. A equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 plus I. Here b is minus negative sign. So b by mod b equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into root of a square plus b square equal to 10 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay. Next we calculate this one. So plus or minus 16 root of 16 divided by 2 plus into minus I into root of 4 by 2. Okay, cancelling this 8, this one is 2. So plus or minus root 8 minus I root 2. Okay, this root 8 is written as 2 root 8. So root of 6 minus 8i equal to plus or minus 2 root 2 minus I root 2. Okay, you understand? It is very easy. This is the 3 mark question. Okay, this is the one of the 3 mark question. It is very easy. You know the formula if you do easily. Okay. In your exercise, the last sum, exercise 2.5. Listen, the 10th question. 10th question. Find the square roots of first one 4 plus 3i, second one minus 6 plus 8i, third one minus 5 minus 12i. These 3 sums you are doing in your class up note. Okay. Do you understand? First of all, you find the modulus of this value, and then the modulus of value is substitute in the formula quotient root of a square plus b square. Okay. Afterwards, you do the sums. Okay. So the 10th question, 3 sums. The 10th question you have in 3 questions. Okay. So these 3 questions you do in your class up note. Next question. Listen, the 7th question. Okay. If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are the complex numbers such that modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z3 equal to 3 and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1. So that modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z21 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. This is the question. Listen the question. See the question. 7th one. If Z1, Z2 and Z3 are 3 complex numbers such that modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z3 equal to 3 and modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1. So that modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. Okay. So here given what is the 3 complex numbers? Z1, Z2 and Z3. Okay. And then what is the condition? These 3 complex numbers satisfies the condition. In which of the condition? Modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2 and modulus of Z3 equal to 3. Okay. And also one more condition is given. What is this? Modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 1. Okay. Okay. Now what do you show? Modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 6. Okay. Okay. Now I explain the solution in the board. Okay. 7th question. Solution. Given 3 complex numbers Z1, Z2 and Z3. These 3 are complex numbers. Okay. These 3 complex numbers satisfies modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2 and modulus of Z3 equal to 3. And one more condition given, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal equal to 1. Okay. Now to show. What do we show? To show modulus of 9 z1 z2. Yes. Modulus of 9 z1 z2 and 4 z2 z3 plus z1 z3 equal to 6. This is you want to find it. Okay. z1 z3, this one is z2 z3. Okay. Listen students. Now I go to the solution. Consider this question part. Modulus of 9 z1 z2 plus 4 z1 z3 plus z2 z3. Okay. Okay. Equal to. Okay. In this portion, in which of the terms we have 3 complex numbers. In which of the terms there is no need z3. So I multiply and divide the z3. Okay. In the first portion. So modulus of 9 z1 z2 z3 divided by z3. Okay. And then plus 4. Which of the numbers there is no have in this second term? z2. So 4 z1 z2 z3 divided by z2. Multiply and divide the in which of the complex numbers are 3 complex numbers have. In which of the complex numbers there is no in the term. Okay, that complex number you go to multiply and divide. So z1 z2 z3 divided by z1. Okay. So in the numerator, what are these common? z1 z2 z3. Multiply of z1 z2 z3. So taken out of the complex numbers, this portion. So modulus of 9 by z3 plus 4 by z2 plus 1 by z1. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Listen. Now I separate this one. Modulus property you already know. Now I go to in the z3. Okay. So z3 bar. Okay. Conjugate of a complex number z3. Multiply and divide in the each portion. 9 z3 bar z3 into z3 bar plus 4 z2 bar divided by z2 into z2 bar plus z1 bar divided by z1 into z1 bar. Okay, you already know what is this? Z into z bar. What do you have? Modulus of z. Z into z bar. Modulus of z. Okay. So modulus of z1 value is 1. Substitute this one 1. Modulus of z2 is 2. Modulus of z3 is 3. Okay. 9 divided by 9 z3 bar divided by modulus of z3 square. Modulus of z3 square. Okay. Plus 4 z2 bar divided by modulus of z2 square. z1 bar divided by modulus of z1 square. Okay. Do you know the value of modulus of z3? 1. 1 into 2 into 3. 6. Modulus of 9 z3 bar divided by modulus of z3. 3. So 3 square plus 4 z2 bar divided by modulus of z2 square. 2. 2 square plus z1 bar divided by modulus of z1 square. 1. 1 square. Okay. Now calculating this one. Okay, 3 square and 9. 3 square value is 9. So equal to 6 into 9 z3 bar divided by 9 plus 4 z2 bar divided by 4. 2 square value. 2 square value is 4. Okay. So z1 bar divided by 1. You understand? Okay, now calculate this one. 9, 9, 4, 4, 1, 1. 6 into modulus of z3 bar plus z2 bar plus z1 bar. Okay, so 6 into modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 the whole bar. Okay, now 6 into modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 because of modulus of z equal to modulus of z bar. So modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 the whole bar equal to modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3. Okay, so what is the value of modulus of z1 plus z2? 1. So 6 into 1, 6. Next, modulus of 9 z1 z2 plus 4 z1 z3 plus z2 z3 equal to 6. Okay, once again I say what is the question? 3 complex numbers. These 3 complex numbers z1, z2, z3. Okay, in these 3 complex numbers have the condition is modulus of z1 equal to 1, modulus of z2 equal to 2 and the modulus of z3 equal to 3 and one more condition modulus of z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to 1. Okay, and then to show what do you find out? This value is you go to find out. Okay, you consider the question part, LHS of the question. Okay, so LHS of the question I will write it. In this place, in this LHS of this question is 3 terms contained in the modulus. Okay, 3 terms. What are the terms? 9 z1 z2, 4 z1 z3, z2 z3. Okay, so in which of the terms? Sorry, in which of the complex numbers not in the each term? Okay, and the complex number in multiply and divide. Here z1 z3. In which of the complex number that is not in this term? z3. So I multiply z3 by divide z3. Okay, and then second question. What is this? z1 z3. Which one is not needed in this place? z2. So I multiply z2 z2. And then this one z2 z3. z1 and z1. Multiply and divide this portion. Okay, so now we are taken out of the common factors z1, z2, z3 in this terms, numerator part. Okay, okay, remaining 9 by z1, 9 by z3, 9 by z2, 1 by z1, 9 by z3, 4 by z2, sorry, 1 by z1. Okay, and then taking the modulus separately in this value, and then what am I doing here? Here z3, so I multiply and divide z3 bar. Okay, and then this one is z2 second term, so z2 bar and then z1 bar. Okay, so 9 z3 bar plus 4 z2 bar plus z1 bar. This value is z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. Z into z bar equal to modulus of z square. So substituting this one. Okay, modulus of z3 square, z2 square and then modulus of z1 square. Okay, okay, you already know the value, given the values. Modulus of z3 equal to 3, modulus of z2 equal to 2 and the modulus of z1 equal to 1. After calculation, we get it. Okay? Okay students, 8th question. If the area of the triangle formed by the vertices z, IEZ and z plus IEZ is 50 square units. Okay, find the value of modulus of z. First of all, listen the question. Afterwards, I say the answer. Okay, what the question means? If the area of the triangle have 3 vertices. Okay, so in the vertices have x and y. Order, coordinate x comma y. Okay, in these 3 vertices we are going to draw. This is the real, this is the imaginary axis. It is one of the orthogonal plane and then it is considered as in complex plane. Okay. Okay, listen. Here z, we consider here in this portion z. Okay. Okay, z into the IEZ is rotation of 90 degree at z. Okay, so you move to 90 degree from z point. Okay, listen, in this place you to mark 90 degree, we get IEZ. You already know this one is okay. 57 I think page number 52, 57 or 53. In this page you see that one Z and IZ rotation of 90 degree is given in your book. Okay. If you want to refer on the page in your book. Okay. Okay. Z plus IZ. So what is the value of Z plus IZ? This is Z plus IZ. Okay. Now we go to joining these three points. You consider this one. Okay. What is this value? This square shaded portion is 50 square units. You understand? This value is 50 square units. Okay. Now let us consider Z equal to x plus I1. Consider Z equal to x plus I1 and then Z bar, sorry, IZ equal to, what is this? IX minus Y. I into Z, if you need I say I into x plus I1, I into x IX, I into I square value is minus 1, so minus 1. Okay, and then Z plus IZ. What is this? X plus I1 plus Ix minus 1. So the value is x minus 1 plus I into x plus 1. Okay. So you consider this one is x comma y. This one is minus y comma x. This is x minus y comma x plus 1. We need to 3 vertices in a organ plane. Okay. So these 3 vertices are x and y axis namely. So x comma y. I consider Z equal to x plus I1. You know representation of a complex number in organ plane is, what is this? Ordered pair and then vector, position vector and vector. Okay. In this way we represent the complex number. Here we represent the complex number in ordered pair. Z equal to x comma y. Z x comma y. And then another one is minus y comma x. And then next one is x minus y comma x plus y. Okay. Now we need to, what do we find out? Area of the triangle. Okay. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is given. You go to find the modulus of Z. Okay, you go to find the modulus of Z. You already know the formula. Area of the triangle is equal to, what is this? Half into, what is this? X1, Y1, 1, X2, Y2, 1, X3, Y3, 1. Okay. In this formula, you already studied in the which chapter? First. Okay, first chapter, the last exercise. Okay, you already know this one is half into 4 modulus. Do you know? Okay, now substitute the values. This one is completed 50. Okay. So I substituting this, or otherwise you can easily study in the 10th formula. A equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 equal to 50. So half into, what is this? x1 y1 x1, x2 y2 minus 1 x, x3 y3 x minus 1 x plus 1 and then x1 equal to 50 modulus. Okay. Now modulus of half into down arrow x square. Okay, x square plus minus xy minus y square plus xy minus y square minus up arrow minus y square plus x square minus xy plus x square plus xy equal to 50. Okay, this 2 goes to that side 100. Okay, so x square minus 2y square minus xy plus xy minus minus into minus plus plus y square minus into plus minus x square minus into minus plus xy minus x square minus xy equal to 50. Okay, so plus x square minus x square cancel and then minus xy plus xy cancel plus xy minus xy cancel, remaining you have minus 2y square minus y square and then minus x square equal to 50. Okay, this is modulus. So modulus of taken out of the minus x square plus y square equal to 100. This one is going to in this place 100. Okay, so modulus that is negative value or positive value, you get x square in this place. So x square plus y square equal to 100. Okay, you already know x square plus y square. What is this? Modulus of z square equal to 100. So modulus of z equal to root 100 equal to modulus of z equal to 10. This is the answer. Okay, listen. Taken at this point. Okay, in this point you substitute the values and then you get it. It is easy. Okay students, you already do the 9th question in the last video are finished by homework. Okay, so in this class you studied about the what is this square root of a complex number and 7th question and 8th question. Okay, 10th question you have your homework. Okay, so you are doing your classic note 10th question 7 8. Okay. And also, in which of the topic completed in this video? Modulus of a complex number is completed. Next topic is argument of a complex number. Okay. Next topic is argument of a complex number. Okay. Thank you students.